Hello everyone, welcome to Smart Tech. Hope everyone is doing great. Viewers, right now in front of you HP color LaserJet printer, and the model number is CP1025, and there is an issue with this printer. It's showing an error. Okay, I will show you how to diagnose the error first and how to fix it. I will go to my laptop screen and will show you what is the error exactly. Okay, I came to my laptop screen, viewers. There is a error in this printer is rear door open. Okay, I'll show you. I gave the print command and it's showing printer an error and rear door open. Okay, so stay with me, watch the complete video. I will show you what is the issue exactly and how to fix it. Okay viewers, this is the back side of the printer. If I will open this back cover, you will see, I will zoom it. It can zoom. Okay, here we go. You can see there is on the right side one plastic door lock here, and it's missing from the left side. It should be one part should be here with this, but it's missing. I couldn't find over here. So if you have the part, you have to fix it here. Okay, if you can get a new one, if it's missing from right or left. Okay, if it's missing one of them or both of them, you have to replace it apart here. But right now I don't have also a new part here, so what I will do, I will suggest you to fix it through this paper clip. Okay, you can see, you can find it at any bookshop, this paper clip. Okay, everyone knows that about it, so no need to explain. I will close the back door. So if your right side have missing this part inside, we will put it on the right side. If the left side is missing the part, we will fix this in the left side. I will tell you just a while later how you fix this. If you both white plastic is are missing, you have to place two parts. This is clips from right and left side. Okay viewers, so now how I will use this. First of all, I will disconnect the power, and then with the help of flat screwdriver we will fix it here. Okay, we will fix it here. Okay, you will see. Okay. I need my both hands, just hold on. Okay, look viewers, how I fix this here. Okay, as you can see, I fix it here. Fine. So if your right side is missing the white plastic that inside I mentioned earlier, you have to place this paper clip on the right side. So the mine one here left was missing, so I place it here. Now we will turn our printer on. So see it carefully that how I fix this. I insert inside one thing and it's fine now. Make sure that don't break this. Slowly with the help of flat screwdriver, lift it up and insert this inside. Okay, now we will turn our printer on to make sure that either it's showing an error or not. It's initializing, just hold on, in 1 minute it will be ready, hopefully. Okay viewers, our printer is ready now. There is no more error. I will insert the paper and give a test page command to make sure that it is printing fine or not. Okay, give the command. Now we will see is it feeding the paper and printing fine or not. Before there was an error of rear door open. So now you realize that how I fix this rear door lock. You can do it at home, so no need to take your printer to service center. Fine. Okay, this is a printer test page from computer. I will show you again what I did here. Okay, I fixed this part over here. Fine, it's now okay. If you have any question regarding color LaserJet printer CP1025, you can ask me in the comments. And thank you for watching guys, take care.